It was a car or a shuttle bus. But I swear I heard that groaning that everybody's posting on YouTube. That one's a car on the highway. It's almost like a low hum.
See, it intensifies, like it's coming closer, but then it just like fades out, and then it comes back, and then it fades out.
Yeah.
It's been doing that, I guess, since we left, or about 20 minutes ago.
Yeah. Definitely hear a hum though. I wonder if it's picking up on my phone.
Come over there, it's really loud. Careful.
Oh yeah.
There's no construction going on either. It's too cold.
Holy fuck, that sounds wicked. Could that be the noise everybody's hearing?
I don't know. It's odd.
I got 2 minutes so far. Oh, my fingers are freezing.
Let's go back in.
Wait.
Let's see if we got it.
What's there?
Yeah, that's their pipe over there. Or, you know, that
Air purifier or whatever.
But if it was
That over there towards, yeah, that way. I can't get anything on my phone though.
Yeah, if it was a train, it would have already went by.
You'd see it, well, you could see it from here, the train, but there's no train over there. Wonder if we should take a ride to the Shell station and jump out over there.
Should we? Real quick.
Because I swear when we got out, I heard that big, that louder
the
noise. No, when we got out here at home.
The other day we heard this, and William could hear it all the way to Tudorville, and that's like 2 miles away, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's more than 2 miles.
Maybe about 3. I don't know.
Yeah, but yeah, he could hear it now.
But no, when we first jumped out, when we first got back, I swear I heard that louder noise that everybody records.
Oh my god, yeah.
That's why I jumped. That's why I grabbed my phone. But that is just a low hum.
There's no highways nearby either. I mean, there is, but there's like no activity on those highways.
No, because what time is it? About midnight?
Let me see. It is 12:29. Let's go. Let's go to the Shell station and see. I can merge the